minus 2x plus 1 as a polynomial in x minus 1. That in the sense, this is a polynomial in terms of x. Everything is there in terms of x. This is, we need to find a polynomial which is equivalent with this given polynomial, but the newly formed polynomial is in terms of x minus 1. Okay, so I will do it, and again at the end I will explain for you. So to express this polynomial as a polynomial in x minus 1, you just go with this synthetic division using x minus 1 as a linear factor. So for that, list out the quotients. 1, since x power 4 is not there, 0, x cube minus 10, x square 4, minus 2, and then 1. Yeah, I will use synthetic division. Since x minus 1 is a factor, take 1. Excuse me. Yeah, this is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. I think you all know it. If you don't know, you just revise the previous class of Harvard's division. I will do somewhat. Yeah, 1 into 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 9. Minus 9 into 1 is minus 9. 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 1. Minus 7 into 1 is what? Minus 7. And 1 minus 7 is minus 6. In this case, minus 6 is the remainder. So this is what? Quotient after this first step. Okay? And then I am doing division with the division of this quotient. Again with 1. 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7. Minus 5 minus 7 is minus 12. Minus 12 into 1 is minus 12. And this time this is minus 19. Again I need to do with the what? 1. 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. And this is what? Minus 16. Again with 1. 1. Okay. I will change the color for your sake. Okay. Yeah, this is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is 0. Again I need to do with 1. So if I do with 1, what will happen? 1, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. This 5 is the remainder. You just have a look. Repeatedly we are doing with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Because we are trying to express this as a polynomial in terms of x minus 1. See, totally here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps are involved. Why? Because this is of 5th degree and this is of 1st degree. So 5 steps are involved. So every step represents one particular statement according to division algorithm. Okay. So then from those statements we will get the given polynomial in terms of x minus 1. So as per that, at the end what we have in our hands is, first of all, you just have a look. What is the given polynomial? Given polynomial is this: x power 5 minus 10x cube plus 4x square minus 2x plus 1. That is given polynomial. By this the first step of the division, this minus 6 is remainder, this is quotient, and 1 is what? Divisor. So according to the first step, we will write it like this: x minus 1 into some q1 of x minus 6. This is first quotient. First step is clear. Then coming to the second step, what we need to do? According to the second step, x minus 1 into this first quotient is again divided with x minus 1. This is second quotient, minus 19 is remainder. So this q1 of x can be written as x minus 1 into q2 of x minus 19 minus 6. Okay, you just simplify it. How it becomes? X minus 1 whole square into q2 of x minus 19 into x minus 1 minus 6. Just I multiplied with x minus 1. And now this second quotient, okay, q2 of x is again divided with x minus 1, and this minus 16 is the remainder. This is third quotient, okay. This is what? Third quotient. And now I will write it like this. This is equals to x minus 1 whole square into, you just rewrite this second quotient. Again we are doing with x minus 1, and q3 of x is the third quotient, minus 16 is the remainder, minus 19 into x minus 1 minus 6. Okay. So this is what third quotient. What is the third quotient? See, minus 16 is remainder, this is third quotient. Again the third quotient is divided with x minus 1. This is fourth quotient, but the remainder is 0 this time. So this is equals to x minus 1 square into x minus 1 is x minus 1 cube into this third quotient can be written as, how we are writing the third quotient? Okay, again x minus 1, fourth quotient plus 0. X minus 1 into q4 of x plus 0. Minus 16 into this. Minus 16 into x minus 1 whole square minus 19 into x minus 1 minus 6. So this is quotient 1. This is quotient 2. This is quotient 3. This is quotient 4. And again this quotient 4 is divided with x minus 1. Okay. This 5 is what? Remainder. And this is quotient 5. Okay. Quotient 5 in the sense this is again a constant, right? This quotient itself is a constant because 1 is there. 1 is a constant. Okay. So now this quotient 4 can be written as x minus 1 into 1 plus 5. So this quotient 4 can be replaced with x minus 1 plus 5. Okay. So now I have no space actually here. This is equals to x minus 1 to the power 4 into that q4 of x can be written as x minus 1 into 1 actually. Okay. Plus 5 minus 16 x minus 1 whole square minus 19 x minus 1 minus 6. You just have a look. Okay. When you multiply that last step, what you will get? X minus 1 power 4 into x minus 1. I am writing here. X minus 1 to the power 5 plus 5 into x minus 1 to the power 4. Okay. Plus 5 into x minus 1 to the power 4. Next, minus 16 into x minus 1 whole square minus 19 into x minus 1 minus 6. Just look at this. This is the polynomial, the given polynomial in terms of x minus 1. Actually these two are equivalent. You just take x is equals to any number in first polynomial or this last polynomial, newly formed polynomial. You will get same answer. These two are same, but here it is x, it is in terms of x, but it is in terms of x minus 1. So expressing a given polynomial as a polynomial in x minus 1 means we need to find an equivalent polynomial but in terms of that x minus 1. For that, first of all do synthetic division up to like this, and after having this synthetic division you just write all these steps, but actually no need to write all these steps, directly you can write. Okay, how can you write this 1? Okay, into x minus, this you just write it like this, 1 into x minus 1 to the power 5 plus 5 into x minus 1 to the power 4, 0 into x minus 1 whole cube because it is not there, because it is 0, minus 16 into x minus 1 whole square minus 19 into x minus 1 minus 6. You just observe these reminders. That's enough. No need to write all these steps. But as a first problem, to explain you how I am writing this, I listed all these steps. But if you do this synthetic division, directly you will write that polynomial in terms of x minus 1. What is that polynomial? Once again I repeat for you. 1 into x minus 1 to the power 5. 5 into x minus 1 to the power 4. 0 into x minus 1 whole cube. minus 16 into x minus 1 square, minus 19 into x minus 1 and minus 6. Okay, have a look. And then in the next class, I will give you some more problems related to this and everything. Okay, have a look.